Well, both water heaters have been powered up for 48 hours.
From the temperature recorder, we can see that the left tank water temperature of higher TF7 is 43 degrees Celsius. Right tank is 43.2 degrees Celsius. And the other one's right tank is 36 degrees Celsius. The left tank is 34.2 degrees Celsius.
So higher TF7 performs better in thermal insulation effect. After such a long time, the water in a higher water heater is still hot. It's really fantastic.
Higher TF7 water heaters has excellent polyurethane insulation layer, optimum density, and ultra thickness.
It's like putting on a high-quality down jacket for the water heater, making the internal heat hard to lose. Obviously, the competitive water heater's insulation layer is thinner, which means faster to lose heat. And we both know who the winner of this experiment is. Higher water heater!